Are you guys ready? Let's do this.
And they have the official belt and the official medal from last year. Hey, let's give all these contestants a big round of applause. Once again, this contest was made possible by AZ Smart Cash. Thanks for sponsoring this event. So this is what it's gonna go. We have a dozen tamales up here. They can drink water, they can drink beer, and whoever finishes the dozen first, or who eats the most in under 3 minutes. Do we have a timer? Coordinator, who's got the timer right here? Mr. Fred Caro, head of security right here. He's got the timer. So the rules are pretty simple. Whoever finishes the dozen first, or who eats the most in under 3 minutes. So, are you guys ready? You guys ready? Let me see what you got right here. Stomach's ready. Give me a little room.
Game face, game face.
All right, here we go. We're gonna give you a countdown. I'm gonna ask the crowd to help me out to get this contest going. Are you guys ready? Let's give these guys a countdown. Once again, the rules are simple. Mr. Fred Cato's got to keep a time. The most that you can eat in 3 minutes, or whoever finishes the dozen first. Let's give them a countdown from 5. City of Somerton and people at Summer Tamale Festival. Are you ready? In 5, 4,
3, 2, 1.
and they're off. We are peeling the first tamale right here. The number 1 contender is going right here. We got our judges. KYMA's got a strategy. He's jumping up and down. Dylan, please breathe, son. Don't forget to breathe. I wouldn't want you to pass out here. All right, you're not 18 yet, so breathe. The champion is finishing his third tamale right here. He is going fast. Mr. Gato, what is the time of the contest? Where are we at? We officially have gone through 45 seconds right here. Mr. Nandi ate his 4th tamale already. The champion looking stellar, like he knows what he's doing. We have a contestant that is about to clock out right here. He's having a hard time. It's not gonna happen. Thank you very much for trying your best. Here we go. We are officially halfway through the contest. This is intense. We are approaching 1 more minute. Do we have a dozen? This is a tight race right here. We have the number 1 challenger starting his 8th one, I think. Oh my goodness. KYMA doing this job. Don't go by first impressions. This thing is going fast right here. The champion looking stellar once again, trying to do his job, trying to keep the title. We gotta be like under a minute already right here. We are at exactly 55 seconds. Who's gonna take the title? Oh my goodness, Jamie over there. I don't think he's even, and we are done. We are officially done. Stop eating your tamales, unless you really like them right here. With 47 seconds to spare. Oh my goodness. He's going for number 13. Relentless attitude. Mr. Nandi Silva, the champion. He needs some napkins. He has retained his title. Let's give all of them a big, big round of applause.